What's good, YouTube? I'm Lex on Point, also known as Wavy Creatures, and today I'm coming to you with a topic that I should have been answered. Like, I should have answered this like when I first started my wave page on Instagram, like way back. Way back when. Answer 3 questions about wave pages and the truth about wave pages. So the first question I want to address is, how do I get posted? So people DM me all the time like, yo, post me, how do I get posted, blah blah. The first thing you gotta have is great lighting. Like, this is not even good enough lighting for your waves. You need the top of the top. If you can't get outside and get natural sunlight, you need good lighting. But honestly, you just really need great lighting. The second thing you need great angles. So this way, if I take my do-rag off, you're not gonna see no waves. But if I show you like this angle going forward, you'll see them. So you need to learn your angles and dedicate to them so that when you send me pictures, it looks fire and there's no way that I can't not post it. Third thing is, y'all really need to trust the process, because I understand that I post progress pics, but I'm not gonna post them every day. Like, nobody wants to see that every day, I'm sorry. And my wave page is what the people want to see. So I'm honestly posting what people tell me they want to see. So when I do polls on the story, you gotta make sure you vote so that I know what you want to see. Yeah, I'm talking to you because you're the one. You. So yeah, you just gotta let me know what you want to see more of, so I can start doing more of that. But right now, people want to see this summer. People want to see outside waves. People want to see dope colors, and people want to see spinning waves. But for my beginners, I do show love on Wednesdays with I use this hashtag Rate That Waiver Wednesday. So it's like, in theory, everybody's supposed to be critiquing each other, constructive criticism. Sometimes I do gotta filter out the comments that just are unnecessary, especially if they're really a beginner and they really want good feedback. But I cannot sit there and filter every comment. I'm sorry. I don't even see every comment that comes in on the page. But I try to get everything that I see that's negative, or I'll DM the person and be like, yo bro, that wasn't cool. So I do DM people all the time and like, yo, why are you posting this? Or why are you commenting that? Or why are you trying to be a troll? Like, I come at people all the time, but just know I cannot do that all the time. Okay, so the second thing people want to know is, when do I post? I live in New York, so I'm on East time. And the days I post are Sunday through Saturday. I post more during Monday through Thursday because I kind of have a little bit more time. But as far as me posting, I post every day from the time I wake up, whatever time that is. It could be 5 in the afternoon. If that's when I wake up, that's when I wake up. So it could be any time that I wake up. So right now it is 9:35 a.m. Eastern time and I'm up. And I already posted 2 people. So I post when I wake up until 11 p.m. Eastern time, unless it's a mind-blowing pic that must be seen right then and there, which I haven't got a lot of those. I'm not gonna lie, the last time I got a picture and I was like, whoa, it's 2 in the morning, I'm posting this. I honestly don't remember. So that's normally when I post. I do post on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays if I'm free. So yeah, I gotta remember, outside of Instagram, outside of YouTube, that I have a whole life that I live and do other things for. So I can't necessarily do things for Instagram and YouTube all day long unless I'm gonna get money or something from it. I do not charge people for posting pictures unless you're like begging me every day, like, post me now, 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 post me now. That shit gets annoying and you're taking away from my actual life because I just keep seeing notifications from you. And sometimes it's not even your best waves. So please cut that out, because that's when I'll hit you with the, I'll post you right now, $10 Cash App or PayPal. And a lot of y'all, I don't mean to be harsh, but a lot of y'all don't got money to just be giving out for me to post. So just be patient please be patient. And if I don't get to you throughout the week, you could DM me, but don't, like, if I don't tell you I'm gonna post your waves, don't tell me to post you. Like, it's up to me to determine if I want to post you or not, if that makes sense. Because sometimes you guys demand me to post you. It's not happening. Like, the last question, which I kind of sort of just touched on, was why won't I post you? The reason why I won't post you, there's a few reasons. The first reason is I don't see your DM. I don't see your tag. I don't see that you added me on your picture. I don't see any of that. Why? Let's just say I get over 100 DMs a day. Anybody that hosted one of my takeovers will tell you my phone and notifications and DMs are booming. Like, I just woke up and I had 6 new DMs. And I'm just like, yo, I just went to sleep. It's fucking crazy. But 2, another reason why I won't post you is because you don't have great angles. But I do, for those of y'all that don't know how to take good pictures, I usually try to walk y'all through it. Another reason why I won't post you is because I forgot. I'm human. I am human. So I try to, like, go through DMs, save everybody's picture that I want to post. But sometimes I forget to go to your message, or sometimes I forget what's your @ name, and I want to give you credit, so I just don't post it because I don't remember your @ name. There's a lot of reasons why I wouldn't post you, but they all kind of, like, lead off of that I honestly forgot. So I don't want anybody to ever take offense to why I didn't post you, because usually it's like I forgot and you didn't remind me, or I forgot and I got around to finding your picture, but now I forgot your @ name. It's a lot of things that go through my head every day to try to give you great content on Instagram, great content on YouTube. And I'm hosting a dope link up this Saturday, June 30th, with top waivers, 2 nights June, waves unlimited, and so many waves. So it's a lot going through my mind right now. But speaking of that event, if you want to come out, show love. It's gonna be giveaways. I'm hosting a raffle, taking pictures. It's gonna be lit. I'm trying to get breath sessions in on the beach with people. Make sure you pull up. Yo, if you have beef with someone, I don't care. We're all there because we're waivers. We're not there to argue with people over the best waves or whatever people argue about waves. We're not there for them. None of that. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment. What's your Instagram name so I can follow you? I'm following everybody back that comments on this video, your Instagram name. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Make sure you follow the Instagram page at Wavy Creatures, and make sure you trust the process. And I'm gone.